In a lush orchard, a little kiwi named Kiko hung from a vine, surrounded by bright apples and juicy oranges. Unlike them, Kiko had a fuzzy brown skin and felt unnoticed. Who would pick me when I'm not shiny or colorful, he wondered. One day, a curious boy named Leo visited the farm. He reached past the apples and oranges and picked Kiko. "What's this?" he asked. The farmer smiled. "Slice it open and see." Leo carefully cut Kiko in half, revealing his vibrant green flesh speckled with tiny black seeds. "Wow!" he exclaimed, taking a bite. The sweet, tangy flavor burst in his mouth. "This is amazing!" From that moment, Kiko realized that true beauty wasn't in appearances but in what was inside. And so, the once-overlooked kiwi became a favorite, proving that sometimes, the best surprises come in the simplest packages. Kiwi fruit sparkles.